We back. Today, man, I thought I had a mishap. Lost the keys to Green Bean for about 3-4 days. But I'm going to show you what we got going on here and what we plan on doing. Don't change it up. We're going to add a carb spacer to a throttle body elbow for fuel injection. I never heard of it, huh? So why would you put a carb spacer on a throttle body? Well, we have an elbow on it, which is Edelbrock as well. Get the camera set up for y'all. As you can see, right there is the elbow, which, like I said, is used on a lot of turbo applications, and this intake as well, which you use on my turbo setup as well. So what we plan on doing is adding this, which is a box. It's a carb spacer, man. A carb spacer on a fuel injected engine. Wow. Let's unbox it here. Came with some longer bolts, because that's what we definitely gonna need it. And we've got, I mean, they come in different heights. They come in a lot of different heights. Look at that. We're gonna add another 2 inches to that plenum, I guess you call, or that elbow. Will that add some low end torque? They say it will. They say it will. They say it will. Now, this is, I guess, the 40, was it the 4160 idea, I think. Part number on this Edelbrock is a 3348 elbow. And then the intake itself is a Victor Jr. I don't think I'll need to do anything other than remove 4 nuts and then remove the studs, put in the new longer studs, put in the spacer, and see if it performs any different. It may or may not. I don't know, but I'm willing to try. Willing to give it a try. This is, I want to say it's a composite throttle body space or a carb spacer, but we're using it on the elbow of Green Bean. Is it going to sound different? Is it going to perform different? I don't know. Another thing I think I am going to do is get a bigger throttle body. I do think I'm going to go ahead and get a bigger throttle body. I mean, that's stock 78 millimeter right there. We're going to change out this tube. We got a composite tube that we're going to use and plumb the dry nitrous in. So my thing is, when you're messing with the dry nitrous on a LS, do you speed density or do you just leave it as a MAF tune? Good question. Anybody got the answer? Anybody got the answer? Speed density or a MAF tune whenever you're dealing with nitrous on a LS. We shall see. And again, we ain't doing no 100 shots, at most probably a 50. I don't look to be doing anything other than a 25 to begin with, or 15, whatever it is, just to see if it does anything different. My fueling, I feel like it's going to be fine because I'm already fat. My timing, I will bring the timing down because it is a little higher, and then we'll see what happens, y'all. Let me get some tools and we'll pull this Edelbrock elbow off. It shouldn't take much. 13 millimeter. I think it's 13. 13. I mean, everything should be the same. Shouldn't have to change nothing. But I am gonna go ahead and undo my wiring, unplug it, just in case. Ain't no guarantees. I don't think I need to. I actually should. I got enough slot or play, you know, everything to be able to move it. You see that? See the move? This actual intake, this same intake is what I had on my Turbo Mustang umpteen years ago. Made almost 800 horse with this intake. Go ahead and do it like this. Pull my throttle cable off. Get it out of here. Move it out the way. Unplug IAC, unplug throttle position sensor, and I've already unplugged the mass airflow sensor. So go pick up on it, and it is a single plane. I don't want to move it too far. I want y'all to see. It is a single plane. Pull those out if they allow me to. That one won't. Let's see. So it might be like a little, I don't know what size it is. Let me see if I can find a socket, see what size this is, and see what size these are, and pull it off using some tools, or at least a ratchet. All right, it's a 7:30 seconds. 7:30 seconds. Walk them four out. Hopefully, come right out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't knock. So don't fall in the intake. All right, I got new gaskets, so we're gonna go ahead and run the new gaskets and the bolts. See if we can get some of these bolts in. You know, best thing to do is probably see if it fits, you know, versus just start doing everything. Look at that. Ooh. We're adding some height to it. We're adding some height to it. Which way does it go? Doesn't go that way. Has to go this way. So we have to add the gasket. I'm gonna add my 4 bolts first. And verify again that everything lines up. Come on. Bolts are a little janky. They look to be the same thread. See if I can sneak it on with this other setup. Well, that ain't gonna work. Let's see if I can do this. There she is, y'all. There she is. The problem with doing this, man, I got to be careful that I don't drop nothing in this engine. Might make more sense to put a rag or something in there. I guess what I'm going to go do, y'all. Put a rag in it. Hold up. Well, cover it like so. Cover it like so. Been nice they had the little head on it like the other one. But it didn't. So what we did was just jam nut it. Put a jam nut on there. And then, like so. Two more. We'll see if she fits. Two more. See if she lines up. See if she lines up. Well, carb spacer on a fuel injection engine. Who ever heard of such? Who's ever heard of such? Came with, along with the gasket. Then we're going to install the new gasket, which got 4 different holes, 7 different size carbs. I'm feeling I might have to do a little tap, 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 get everything lined up like it should. Okay, that looks good. See, I'm leaning out just a little bit. There she is. Look at that. Look at that, man. Go ahead and put our other gasket on. I guess I probably could have took a piece of tubing and done that. And this elbow itself has got 2 different size bolt patterns as well, which is not that bad. Let's see where we at, y'all. We on the on the wrong hole. Come on. Okay, yeah, man. Look at that. So we done raised that dude up 2 inches. Being that it's a truck, I feel like we ain't gonna have any clearance issues as far as the hood to shut. But I feel like, I don't know, it may change the sound of it. It may change the performance of it. Now, will we find out on this video if the performance changed? I don't think so. We will start it up and see if it sounds different, though. That's only right, yeah? That's only right, y'all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gotta push down on him. Gotta get some more thread there. Right. I like it. I like it. That intake looks racy. Like it's ready to get out. Like it's ready to race. You pop the hood, see that intake. Looks like it's race ready type stuff. Although we do not have a race truck. This is just a toy daily driver slash maybe got my piece out the back there. So if I ever wanted to go back without the spacer, all right, now I kind of want to use a ratchet here, get a feel on how tight it is. The only bad thing about dealing with these is I'm introducing another place for us to have a vacuum leak. So what I kind of don't like about what I'm doing here, but if I can just get it to seal, you know, tighten it down enough to feel like it's sealed. You know, we'll just, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, man. The 2 back ones are, they're tight. They're tight. Let's put everything back together, plug everything back in. As you can see, it's raised it up considerably. I'm curious to know how much trouble, or if I'm gonna have any trouble, on startups. I've changed the amount of time, I'm guessing here, how much time it takes for air to get to the cylinders. Alright. We're gonna get some keys, man, and we'll do a startup, see if she sounds any different. Hold tight. Initially, this is going to be like a cold start too, because I lost the keys for about 3 or 4 days. I like them. I like the bed tunnel cover locks like that. What? go as quick as I want it to, though. Well, I'm gonna change this out to a composite. I'm gonna change it out to a composite. And with that composite comes a nitrous. Man, yeah, I gotta run it all over here, so. I need to tighten up them holes, tighten up those clamps as well. She sound good, man. She sounds good. Man, we just get her to move. I changed the tack as well. We got a bigger tack in here. Just got to tighten it up a little bit. Shout out to Random. That came from my dog Random. Got a bigger tack. And of course we got our wideband mounted. Let me see if we can get this what's the name figured out, man. This selfie stick don't want to collapse. There we go. There we go. About running out of daylight here. I don't plan on going anywhere. I'm curious if it helps. I mean, I ain't gonna do much. Take it from driveway to driveway. Yeah, we filmed Shorty big 8-mile burnout on 26s, and it was dry, and didn't hurt nothing. But I thought I was recording, and I missed every bit of it. I had it on pause when I thought I was recording. That's why I had to double check just now and see if I'm recording. How far am I? RPM. Okay. Got a little tire spin. Now, let's get this nitrous put on